In this video, I'll show you how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU error. Now the first thing we want to try is we want to come down here and search for Windows Update. Come in here and from in here, click check for updates and take one if you need the updates. After that, what I suggest you do is you head over to where your game is. So let's say it's Fortnite that you have the error with. You want to make sure that it's fully updated. If there's an update and you didn't take it, the error can occur. So make sure that it's fully updated. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come in here for Device Manager, open it, and in here you want to go to your display adapters, right click on it and make sure you update your driver. After you've done all of this, the last thing I suggest you do is you head over to Google and you search for Visual C++. Press download or just choose this one. Anything from Microsoft is fine. And in here you want to find your version. Now if you come here and search for system, you should see your version right here, -64. So I would press on the 64 one and I would install this one. Now after you installed Visual C++, you should restart your PC and then it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.